Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Vskills channel. Python is one of the most popular programming languages today, and it is used in a variety of applications including web development, data analysis and artificial intelligence. So if you are interested in learning Python, then you are at the right place. Because today in this video, we will discuss some tips and resources to help you get started with learning Python. At first, understand why you want to learn Python. Before you begin learning Python, it's really important to understand why you want to learn it. Do you want to build a web application? Do you want to do data analysis? Or do you want to get into artificial intelligence? So understanding your goals will help you focus on your learning and make sure that you are learning the right things as well. At second, it comes to choose a learning method. There are various ways to learn Python, like you can take a certification course, or you can read a book, or you can also use some online tutorials. And each of these methods has its own advantages and disadvantages. For example, taking a certification course will give you a structured learning experience, and it requires dedicated time and effort as well. Online tutorials on the other side can also be a good way to learn Python, and there are in fact various websites that offer free tutorials such as Vskills, Codecademy, Coursera and Udemy. These tutorials can give you a good introduction to Python and can help you get started with it quickly. At third, install Python. So before you can start learning Python, you of course need to install it on your computer, right? You can download Python from the official website of Python and make sure to choose the version of Python that's appropriate to your particular operating system. And once you have installed Python, you can now start learning the Python code. At fourth, start with the basics. So when you are first learning Python, it's important to start with the basics. Yes, this means learning about variables, data types and control systems as well. These are the building blocks of any programming language, and Python is of course no exception. So once you have mastered the basics, you can now move on to more advanced topics, and these topics include functions, modules and classes. Now coming to the fifth point, which is to start writing code. One of the best ways to learn Python is to write code. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, because making mistakes is a part of the learning process. Write small programs at first, and then gradually with time work your way up to more complex programs. Try to solve problems on your own, but of course don't be afraid to ask help if you get stuck anywhere. With this, we come to the sixth point, which is to use online resources. There are many online resources available to help you in learning Python. Python documentation is a good place to start with, as it provides a comprehensive overview of Python and its various modules. There are also many online communities which are particularly dedicated to Python, such as Stack Overflow, Reddit and Python Discord. These communities can be a great place to ask questions and get help from experts in this area. Now coming on to the seventh point, which is practice regularly. Learning Python takes time and practice. It's important to practice regularly, and even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Try to set aside some time each day to work on your Python skills, and this will help you stay motivated and make steady progress. By following these tips, you will be well on your way to mastering Python. So what are you waiting for? Start your certification journey with Vskills and become a certified Python developer. And stay tuned for more such videos and keep learning. All the best.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us.